Okay, Phil with rollingbarge.com here. Today I would like to talk a little bit about snow load. So when you're looking to buy a bridge kit, one of the first questions that we're going to ask you is how much snow is there in your area? And if you give us your zip code, we have got a program that we subscribe to. We can look it up. Some areas, obviously, you're far enough south, there's no snow whatsoever. We happen to be in an area that's about 10 pounds per square foot. We have sold bridges to areas that are as high as 60 pounds per square foot. So it depends on your area. This particular bridge I'm standing on now is 48 feet long and 6 feet wide. So you see, when I multiply 48 by 6, say roughly 50 by 6, that's roughly 300 square feet of area that we have to catch snow. Now, at 10 pounds per square foot, you can see that this bridge needs to be able to handle an additional 3,000 pounds of snow. Now, if this was a 20 pound per square foot bridge, then we would have to handle 6,000 pounds of snow. So we can work with you to figure out what your snow load is for your area and what kind of bridge you're going to need, what kind of bridge kit you're going to need from us in order to survive both the live loads, that's the people, the ATVs, the snowmobiles, the horses you plan on walking across this, and that snow load.